Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less energy when swimming. To begin, understanding the fundamentals of efficient movement in the water is crucial. We'll cover 3 key areas: maintaining an optimal body position to minimize resistance, refining your breathing for consistent oxygen supply, and perfecting your stroke mechanics to maximize forward propulsion. By focusing on these core principles, you can significantly reduce the effort required to move through the water, making your swims more enjoyable and sustainable over longer distances. A streamlined body position is your first defense against drag, which is the water's resistance. Keep your head neutral, looking down, and your body as flat as possible on the surface, like a torpedo. Actively engage your core to keep your hips high, preventing them from dropping and creating more drag. Extend your arms fully in front, creating a long, narrow shape. This can reduce resistance by up to 20%, allowing you to glide further with each stroke and conserve valuable energy. Efficient breathing and stroke mechanics are vital for energy conservation. Practice bilateral breathing, turning your head to both sides, to maintain balance and distribute effort evenly. Remember to exhale completely underwater before turning to inhale, ensuring a fresh supply of oxygen. For your stroke, focus on a high elbow catch, pulling a large volume of water backward. Recover your arms close to your body to reduce air resistance. A proper catch can boost your propulsion efficiency by 15%, making every stroke count. Smart pacing and training are essential for long-term energy efficiency. Avoid starting too fast. Instead, maintain a consistent, sustainable pace throughout your swim. Integrate technique drills into your routine, focusing on form over speed. A proper warm-up of 10 to 15 minutes prepares your muscles, while a 5-minute cool-down aids recovery. Consistent technique work can improve your overall efficiency by 10 to 15% over time, allowing you to swim further with less effort and enjoy your time in the water more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.